Hello, good morning, friends. In the subject Sports and Yoga, today we will begin the chapter number 7, Yoga and Lifestyle. In this chapter, the first point is asanas as preventive measures. So, in yogic kriyas, we call them asan. So, these asanas are used as preventive measures. In Marathi, we call it as pratibandhatmak upay. It means to avoid some major diseases, we should do asanas regularly so that we can be stay away from such diseases. So, what are that diseases, and what can be done? Which asanas can be done to stay away from that diseases? We can see one by one. The first is hypertension. Hypertension means high BP, high blood pressure. So it is very injurious to health. So to prevent high blood pressure or hypertension, we can do Tadasan, Vajrasan, Pavan Muktasan, Ardha Chakrasan, Bhujangasan, Sharasan regularly. Tadasan is standing straight and up our hands like this and stretch our body fully towards the sky. That is Tadasana. Then Pavan Muktasan is after sitting, and after sitting we have to sleep and get our legs onto our body. That is Pavan Muktasan. Ardha Chakrasan is like rainbow, to give shape of rainbow to our body. That is Ardha Chakrasan. Then Bhujangasan is after sleeping, sleep on the base of stomach and up your body. That is Bhujangasana. Then Sharasana. So these all types of asanas will stay away us from hypertension. Then obesity. Obesity is extra fatness. Everyone has a cholesterol in our body, but when this cholesterol crosses the limit, then our body gets fattened. We look fat. So to stay away from obesity, we should always do asanas like Vajrasan, Hastasan, Trikonasana, Ardhamatsendrasana, etc. Then back pain. Now, nowadays, lifestyle has become very stagnant. We we can do our work from home by sitting 8 to 10 hours before our laptops or computers. So our back gets a large pain. So to outwit that pain, we can use or we can do Tadasan, Ardha Matsyendrasan, Vakrasan, Shalabhasan, and Bhujangasan to remove back pain from our body. Then diabetes. Diabetes is nothing but the high level sugar in our body, the uncontrollable sugar in our body. To control diabetes, we can use Bhujangasan, Paschimottanasana, Pavan Muktasan, Ardha Matsyendrasan. So these asanas will control our body sugar. Then asthma. Asthma is uncontrollable cough, dry cough. To prevent asthma, we can use Sukhasana, Chakrasana, Gomukhasana, Parvatasana, Bhujangasana, Paschimottanasana, and Matsyasana. So these all types of asanas will prevent us from asthma. So yoga is nothing but a part of our lifestyle, our Indian lifestyle. And if we do it regularly, we can stay away from such type of injurious diseases. Thank you very much.